Hello, YouTube people. I am going to build me a paint booth. This hood needs to be painted. So, I am in my garage. I don't have much room. Once I put this 8x8 up, I will barely have room to get around to the rest of my stuff. I have constructed a plan, and what I'll do is use these so I can actually make it foldable. Ooh, when I'm done. So please stay tuned as I build my first paint booth. Got a little workout with the handsaw. So these are gonna be my four pieces, 8 total. For top and bottom, so it can all fold and come in together with these. Now my next step is drilling and placing these in place. And I will have 4 of them to do. That's 1 stick followed by those 2 and that over there. And now I have a few pieces of wood that are now folding pieces of wood. So as there would be plastic on it, I wouldn't want it to fold completely like this, but that's pretty good and out of the way. I got my ceiling done. A little bit of sweat, and this time no blood. I now have a foldable paint booth. Only thing I have to do from here is add more support on the sides. Okay. I've added extra support. Okay. I have now added the final supports. Well, not exactly final, but more. A nice inlet filter with a little bit of support. So with my inlet up top and then my exhaust, I'm thinking right there. I have my box fan over here, therefore it'll blow out, but there's the wall. So I might put it here, possibly right there. But either way, it's gonna be over here somewhere. Nice. And I got me a foldable paint booth. It's looking good, looking good. So my door will go here. And I have a wide enough door to walk in with my little zipper. I got my zipper. Once I tape the outside and put my drop cloth on the ground, I will be officially finished and ready to do business. Painting, that is. I have me an official paint booth, foldable paint booth.